it's Kerry back with you today. So I've been having a lovely time making these altered French postcards, and they're really quite quick and easy to put together. I've just got a lovely floral image here, a label and a whole bunch of stamping. So I'm going to show you how I've put these together today, but I think the fact that they're on a vintage postcard really adds something to them as well. It's got this sort of lovely patinery colour. So I'll show you how I have done it. As you can see, I've been making heaps of them. It's very addictive. So I'll just pop these over to the side, and I thought we'd make a couple together. So I've picked out some florals and some postcards, and I've tried to grab a couple different postcards so I can show you that it doesn't really matter what's on the back of the postcard, that they all still look quite nice when they're done. So this one's more of a modern postcard. It's quite white. You can sort of see it's got the modern writing here, and these ones are some older French postcards, and the images on the back are okay. But if you didn't like the image on the back, you could always just cover it with some brown paper or scrapbook paper or something else, and then the back would become a writing space. So to begin with, I basically just figure out where I want to have my floral image. I think I actually want to swap those two. And then I'm just going to attach those. So once I've got my images where I would like them, I want to pick some labels that I think would look okay. Now I've got a bunch of pre-cut labels here from one of Renie's digis that I pull from. So we'll just have a look in here. I'm just looking to see if I like the colours against the pictures. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with those labels. Now I've actually printed these on matte photo paper, sticker paper. So they are stickers, but I don't trust them 100%, so I'll probably add a little bit of glue on here as well. And if you wanted to, you could also ink around the edges. So I've got my stickers down, so now I'm just going to come in with some stamps, and I've got my documented stamp set here to begin with. So I'm just going to add some stamping, and I don't mind if the stamping's not perfect. So there we go, and if you want to finish it off, you can add just a few little gold splashes like I have done on these ones. totally optional, of course. Now, if you do decide to add the gold splashes, be careful that you don't warp or melt the acetate image. So there we go. Not quite dry there. But as you can see, really super quick and easy to put together, and I think they look really, really cute. So I have popped a couple of kits together in the shop. In the kits you will get 5 of these beautiful floral images, you get 5 labels, and you get 5 authentic vintage French postcards. So you can make some of these yourself, and you'll also get one that I have created that you can use as a bit of a guide to help you create your own. So I'll leave a link to those in the description box above if you're interested. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time. Bye!